Hello everyone, this is Chetan Singh, Managing Partner at BP Impex. We are exporters of spare parts for Indian manufactured vehicles. The spare parts business is an ever-changing business. With newer models, changing emission norms and stiff competition between the different vehicle manufacturers, everyone is trying to offer the latest and the most innovative product to their customers. For us in the aftermarket, we need to make sure we are able to stay up to date with all the different models that are coming in and the difference in the components of all the different models. Today I want to talk about 5 new models of the Mahindra, which if they are available on the road in your market, you need to make sure that you have these spare parts in your range. Many of these spare parts are available in the OEM brands and also in our aftermarket brand N-Tech. Number 1, the new Scorpio pickup. The new Scorpio pickups comes with the same 2.2 liter M-Hawk engine which was being used in the older models. However, the engine is the same, the clutch, the body, the suspension, the brakes are completely different in this version. Number 2, the XUV 500 and the XUV 500 refresh. Although the XUV 500 has been on the road for quite some time now, the XUV 500 refresh comes with a few different variations. Mostly in the body, the headlamps and the tail lamps are changed, and this also of course causes some of the body parts to change. Coming with an automatic transmission in some models, it will change the clutch and transmission system in those particular models. However, this model, the automatic transmission is fairly less in number, so you need not worry about it too much. Number 3, the KUV 100. The KUV 100 is completely different from all the other models of Mahindra that we have talked about before or that have been launched ever before by Mahindra. It is a crossover or a mini SUV. Coming in a 3-cylinder petrol and diesel version, it is also one of the first cars which is available as an electric vehicle in this segment. Like the XUV 500, this model also comes with an automatic transmission in certain variants only. Number 4, the TUV 300. A slightly smaller SUV powered with the same 2.2 liter M-Hawk engine. It is built on the same tough and rugged lines which Mahindra is famous for. The rest of the components are completely different, however the engine is the same, the 2.2 liter M-Hawk engine. Number 5, the XUV 300. Again a crossover like the KUV 100 talked about before. This model has a lot of high-end features. Projector headlamps, rain sensing wipers and an electric sunroof make this model affordable luxury. In my next few videos, I will be talking about each of these models specifically, and I will be going into the details of the specifics of these vehicles and the components which are fitted. I will be talking about the differences and the similarities within the different spare parts. If you already have OEM numbers for the different models that I talked about before, send in your inquiry on the phone number or the mail ID being displayed on the screen right now. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and comment below for any questions and do subscribe to our channel for regular updates.